know, we eat and we talk like that. Honey, we do like that.
Good morning, Philippines! I'm well aware of that.
But I love you.
You never wanted to leave the Philippines. You came here because you felt it was necessary.
Because, you know, you find the, you think the guy. No, that, yeah, but I found you.
I know, but you didn't want to be here. I know that. I knew that way back when.
You know, you think the person that you found is the one, but you're wrong. I guess I was wrong. Everybody wrong, right? Everybody think that's the one, right? You doing 1.2, right? But you did do 1 point, right? Or a lot of things that a lot of your girlfriend, you think it's the one, right?
I might thoughts, yes.
Who is it? How many of your ex that you think is the one? 2, 3?
2.
2? Which one is the one? How about the one with the cat?
No.
Kalug ka na. Maglagay lang ako ng pagkain, mag-ready lang ako ng pagkain namin.
Misty, good girl, Miss. Eat all your food.
Good girl, Misty.
Good girl, Roxy. You eat it. You get no more trees until you eat it. That's the deal. Go eat your food. I'm not kidding.
You ready to eat this?
I am, because I got to go. Even I miss you, I still gotta go. Because I gotta work.
Ay, pag-ibig nakakakilig parang sine bawat eksena'y tunay mo.
Good, it's not eating no, she get no treaties. No chicken for you.
There's a lot of flies flying. Did you notice that?
Yeah, because
There's a lot over there.
Because you notice how many more came after we did the deck? There's something about the smell that draws them. But we keep going in and out, and they're faster than we are.
So how about, did you wanna have pasta?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, the pasta.
I'm gonna have rice,
You have chicken.
with the chicken. I will eat chicken if I have rice. When did you cook that?
I don't know.
Oh gee.
From here,
Can you put this on top over there? The top with the chicken. With the honey, it's not gonna fall down.
We got burger rolls. Any burger rolls?
You tried to choke me. You tried to choke me. I don't like that because you're really choking me.
How's that?
No. Put it, look in the
Oh, yeah. No, I like burger.
yes.
Okay. I'm eating all it.
Hello. Hello, Rox. You don't eat it, Rox. Hello, Han. Uy, this one, haba.
Oh, now Hobbs, get to it.
Habs.
Hobbs, you're on. Your work is cut out.
Hello, Han. We don't have vegetables.
That's fine. We got the salad from the other place.
Oh, yeah, you have to. Uy, oh.
This is more pasta.
You have to bring that to you now.
That's too much pasta.
You should. You want me to eat your chicken and you don't want to touch your chicken. What's wrong with that?
I'm going to eat the chicken, but the burgers are going to go bad.
It did say that it's gonna be stormy today, but not. I don't believe anything when you believe it. People like my laughing, huh?
Well, that's a make-believe laugh you just did.
Huh?
The one you just did was a make-believe laugh.
I know, but
Not
the way I laugh, you like it?
Yeah.
It's weird, right?
Up here, it's flat.
My aunt called me like a goat laugh.
I've never heard a goat laugh, so I can't tell you. I guess she's right.
And they said I laugh like my father, huh? Did you notice that too?
So you follow that like a goat, what do you say?
What do you need? Oh, you need. Right? You eat perfect, huh? I eat sloppy.
I don't eat perfect.
Yes, you do. Like you have that eating like this, oh. Very American. Like this, oh. Like close mouth. Filipino, we eat and we talk like that. Like that. And we do like that. We laughing and we're like too cute. Well, Filipino, that poor Filipino like me, like you like having fun eating, you know, talking to relatives, family.
Spit the food at them.
He spit the food. And I'm editing my father's video. They're like talking. My father's mouth is full. You know, we grew up in the forest. My goodness. And my father said, "She's full. His mouth is full." No, he said, "Oh, can you put another soup on the table?" Like you hardly understand. Oh, the chicken is baby boy. Are you sure you don't put salt?
No salt.
Tammy and I got lechon the last time. That's the last and the first over here. It's better to go to the Philippines and buy your own lechon or make your own lechon. My father is the best lechoner. Since he's not lechoner, but he can make a good lechon.
Good.
It's good, hon, but you need to bring it for the salad because I'm planning to. Okay. I have a lot. This is your water, mine. I have a lot of water open. Why are you giving me water?
No, you always have a lot of them there. You're using all of it.
Oh, that one, that's not mine. That's when mom is here. Halahan, look, she's finishing all the food. Did she even finish her dish?
No, she
finished this?
I brought that.
What a thing.
That's not bad.
There is back over there.
Oh,
In
oh.
the door.
That's
No. The garage door is hanging and you're right when you get in. My husband is leaving me. Iiwan na kami ni Tommy.
I think by too many, but I see them.
He's looking for his son. Say bye-bye to his son.
Where's my laptop? Oh, it's in the front seat. What the fuck? I never put the front seat, but this time I did. Oh, I didn't change the hummingbird roof.
I'll do it. What is that big laugh, on?
Oh, yeah. You're very funny.
What is that big laugh?
Because you don't do it ever, hon.
Oh my God, I miss my husband.
Even I ask you, know what you do.
He's so yummy. He's so yummy. Aalis na daw siya pero parang nanghihinayang siya sa ibon. Na hindi daw niya maan. Hindi nga ito nanghihinayang sa akin, sa ibon pa. Ako dami kong hugasan, no? Mamaya na yan kapag aalis na siya. Kasi, and I think that's still good. Han?
You guys, next time I'm around. Why we just eating the hummingbirds? Clean eat fresh food, so.
Keep talking. Say whatever you want to say.
They like to have food out here. It makes them happy. All the birds like to have food out here.
My husband doesn't trust me. I said I honestly said it intentionally that honestly I want to do it, but he just laughing at me, guys.
Because she said it so many times, it's not funny anymore. But it's still kind of funny. She said it.
I was shocked. I was shocked when you're laughing really hard because I really gonna
How many
do it.
times did you tell me that? How many?
No, not the bird. The
How
hummingbird
many?
I will. The hummingbird kind of like have this.
It's easier to feed the regular birds than hummingbirds.
No, but I kind of like worried about this hummingbird because this is their food. This is their food. the bird, regular bird, they can find their own food anywhere. Hello guys, good evening. 8 o'clock na and kailangan ko pang ilabas yung garbage namin. Yeah, I'm going to end this vlog. Kakaalis lang ni Tami, so sorry na sa light. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow's vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video guys and subscribe if you haven't subscribed sa channel dito. And yeah, bye! Good night guys. Bye-bye.